These honey pineapple jerk wings are so addictive. They're sweet, spicy, sticky. I'm talking about flavor in every single bite. Let's get into it. We have about 2 pounds of wings here. I already pat them dry. We're just going to drizzle some olive oil. We're going to mix it together. Make sure the chicken is nicely coated. Perfect. Now I'm going in with my jerk seasoning. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of mild jerk seasoning because it can be pretty spicy. And also I'm using épices, which is a Haitian green seasoning. I'm adding about a tablespoon, okay? And for the seasoning, I'm using salt, pepper, onion and garlic powder, paprika. Mix that in here. And also we have our everything seasoning. I'm going to add about a tablespoon, okay? You can find this seasoning on my website, islandvibecooking.com. I'm going to give that a nice mix. Just gonna mix it and make sure you really get that seasoning in. Rub that seasoning, the jerk seasoning, really rub it onto the skin. The meat really good, okay? So every bite of this, although the flavor, the actual flavor is gonna be in the sauce, but giving this a nice head start. And voila, our chicken is nicely seasoned. All right, it is time to air fry the chicken. You can bake these as well. You can grill it. Yeah, it's grilling season. Can definitely grill these, but I'm just gonna air fry it for today's recipe. In this air fryer, you can find it down below if you're interested. I have a coupon code, it'll be linked below as well. Y'all know I love this air fryer. If you've been watching me, I mean, there's nothing else to say, really. I just love it. That's why I've been using it pretty much in all my videos, but the link will be below just in case you're interested. And now we are going to air fry it, okay? With this air fryer, it has a wing preset, so we're going to press that 14 minutes. We're gonna let it go for 14 minutes, then we'll flip it, allow it to go for another 10 minutes. All right, now it's time to make the sauce, okay? This sauce is so addictive. And I mean it, okay? So here's how you're going to make the sauce. You're going to start with 1 tablespoon unsalted butter. All right, once you have your butter nice and melted, you're going in with some sugar. Stay with me. White sugar, brown sugar. We're gonna go in with a little bit of pineapple juice, a little bit of that. Okay, now we're going with honey, ketchup, and also we have a little bit of soy sauce going in, low sodium. Always keep that in mind. And we have the jerk seasoning, about a tablespoon. Now we go in with some crushed pineapple. Add that in. Perfect. Also, to balance all the sugar, the sweetness, I'm adding some lime juice, okay? Add that, squeeze that in and give it a stir, and we're going to allow this to simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's missing a little zing, a little something, so I'm adding some lime zest in there, okay? Because it's missing something, and I think that will do it. That will do it. Just gonna let that simmer. Once it's nice and thick, we'll add that to our wings. And this is the consistency we're looking for. Nice and thick, okay? Not too thick now, but perfect. Saucy, juicy, looking good. You guys, our wings are done. You're looking good. Would you look at that? Do you see the color? So beautiful. And it smells amazing, okay? As you can see, these are juicy too. Juicy on the inside and nice and crispy on the outside, just how we like it. Ooh. When I tell you this smells so good, and now it's time to pour that delicious sauce. Oh, 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 oh. Look at that. Saucy wings. We love it. And now you give it a nice toss. Ooh. Wow. Wow. That looks amazing. That looks amazing. Let's plate it, y'all. I know y'all see how good these wings looks, right? I hope you try it at home, and also leave me a comment down below. Let me know which part of the wings that you like. Me personally, I like the flats. It's just what I like, but let me know what you like in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.